Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by physically preparing. Locate the LAN or RJ45 socket on the back of the TV and an available Ethernet port on your router. Once done, inspect the cable for damaged clips and choose a Cat5e or Cat6 for stability. Make sure the TV is plugged into power and turned on so it can negotiate a network link immediately. Plug one end into the router, then bring the other end to the TV. You want a snug click so the connection is reliable. You now connect and configure the link. Plug the cable into the TV until it clicks and then open Settings, navigate to Network, and select Wired or Ethernet setup. Choose Auto IP or DHCP for most home networks so the router assigns an address automatically. If you need a static IP, enter the address, gateway, subnet mask, and DNS values exactly as provided by your network admin. Once you apply settings, watch for a confirmation or link light on the router to verify the physical and logical connection. You finish by verifying the connection, run the TV's network test, or open a streaming app to confirm video playback and stable ping. If it fails, make sure the router shows a link light, then swap in a known good cable, try a different router port, and reboot both devices. Also check for TV firmware updates and disable any VPN or proxy settings that could block traffic. If you still have issues, obtain the TV's network status info and contact support with those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.